This is a short video to introduce to you the EZ Ring. If you have an ErecAid vacuum therapy system, and whether that's the classic or the Esteem manual automatic versions of the vacuum therapy system, ErecAid, and you've been using these tension rings successfully, I encourage you to just keep going with that and adjust as you need to as you go along in this process. But if you would like to know, is there another option available to me that fits with the Esteem and the classic, that is the EZ Ring. And I'm going to link into the description of this video just a direct link to the website page that takes you to a better description of these EZ Rings and gives you some insight as to what they are. But these are a unique and patented tension ring that essentially works almost like a lid that fits over the end of the cylinder. So you can see there it's fitting in there snug. And you can see that there may be some benefits for you if you're using these rather than these tension rings. And one of the benefits is if you're struggling with your scrotal tissue being drawn into the cylinder, you can see that I've reduced the amount of space where that's an option. So if my penis is inside here, then I've reduced that lower space where that scrotal tissue gets drawn in. So that's one potential benefit for you for the EZ Ring versus the tension rings that you might have already been using. Another benefit is that you get a good, strong vacuum seal. So if you're finding when you build the erection and it's starting to develop, but you're finding that you're losing the vacuum seal against the body, whether you have hair there or it's just positioning, this provides, again, a reduction of space where air can get through and may provide a good, solid vacuum seal for you that you can hold and continue to build that erection. Another one that I think is a great benefit for a lot of men is that this is easy to load onto the cylinder and onto the penis. Now, the big difference between these tension rings and the EZ Ring is that these need to be loaded onto the cylinder before you build the erection. Now, with the EZ Ring, it's a little bit easier to load, and I'll show you that in a minute. Also, one of the benefits potentially for you is that you can get this very snugly fit against the base of the penis. So you don't have to take the tension ring off the cylinder, get it onto the penis, and then adjust. When you draw away the vacuum seal, it's essentially already there. It might be some slight adjustment for you, but it's right there against the base of the penis. And it makes that transfer easier. So you don't have to worry you're going to break the vacuum seal, and then in that span of time, you might lose some of the erection. This is a quicker transfer for you. So what I want to do now is on the timmedical.com website, there's a page that talks about these and a little better, more detailed description in terms of the sizing and the tension levels. I'm going to link to that in the description of this video. You can just click on that and read through the variances, because with these tension rings that come with the vacuum therapy system, there are the A, B, C, and D tension rings, and you can see that there's high tension, there's standard tension. With the EZ Rings, there are also 4 levels of tension, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and just want you to be able to know if you're comparing one against the other, if you always use a B, what would an EZ Ring match up with best in terms of, if I always use a B, what would I get with an EZ Ring? So just a better description, you can kind of look at those against each other. So I want to give you a quick tutorial on how to use the EZ Ring. Take you back to the use of the tension rings that come with the device. With these, you want to lubricate the perimeter here of the cylinder, the inside of the cylinder, the base of the penis. And then I want to load this tension ring onto the cylinder. I'm doing this down here. But I have it preloaded before I build the erection. So once I have this loaded, then I position this cylinder against the body. I create that nice and easy, slow movement toward the erection. And then once the erection's built, I keep the vacuum seal, and then I transfer the ring onto the base of the penis, pull the cylinder away, and then I'm ready. But with the EZ Ring, it's a little bit different. So you can't preload the tension ring onto the cylinder and then from the body try to get the penis inside of this. It's just not going to work. So instead, you've got to preload the EZ Ring onto the base of the penis, and the key with this is good lubrication. And I want to lubricate the penis, lubricate the inside here, and then essentially I'm going to draw my penis through, and then I'm here. From here, then I've got to take the cylinder and apply it against the body. I've got a good resistance with the body so that I create that seal, almost like you're putting a cap on the lid on a jar. It's there. You've got a good seal that you've created with this. And then the same principles apply. I'm going to pump easily, take my time. You've got a good release button. If you get too aggressive, you need to back off a little bit, you can do that. And if you have to break the seal, you can break the seal and then reestablish the seal and then come back and restore and start again using the vacuum therapy system to gradually build those erections. Be successful, take your time. So this may not be the perfect option for everybody. There's no such thing, but it is one of those things that's both an art and a science. You've got to explore this, but the EZ Rings may provide a good option for you. I want to encourage you to check out the link in the description of this video. Just look and see what are the differences in sizes and what would, if I'm using a C on the tension rings, what would an EZ Ring match up best with for a C. Explore that, and you may find that this is perfect. You might find that it's really not for you. But if you have questions, write us at education@timmedical.com, and I'll do my best to answer any questions that you have around how to use the EZ Ring, how to match up with what you have used and what you could use.